We're Alyssa, Ben, and Aiden, the co-founders of SimuStride. Imagine a young woman about my age with a vision for her future. Then, in a single devastating moment, a traumatic event occurs requiring the amputation of a limb, which completely turns her life upside down. Simple tasks such as walking, sitting, and standing are now extremely difficult. As she bears the emotional toll of losing her limb, she's also suffering phantom limb pain and losing key motor skills that she once used to do her favorite things. However, this is not a hypothetical story. This is the reality of someone that I met at a high school internship at a prosthetic clinic, and it completely changed my life. She is one of 115,000 people in the US each year who undergo an above-knee amputation. The problem is that the average waiting period for a prosthetic leg is around 10 months, further amplifying phantom limb pain and loss of motor skills. Although early prosthetic training greatly reduces these effects, this is nearly impossible because it takes months to heal following an amputation. And this is why we created SimuStride, an augmented reality rehab tool for amputees so that they can start training days after surgery, not months.
Meet our friend AJ, who's going to help us show you how our system works. First, he wraps our SimuStride sleeve around his amputated limb. Next, he puts on an augmented reality headset and opens our program. When he looks down, he can see a virtual leg which mimics the appearance of a physical prosthetic. Because of the integrated electrodes and vibrational discs in our sleeve, he'll be able to flex, extend, and most importantly, feel his new limb. Instead of waiting months for a physical prosthesis, we'll allow amputees to take back their independence by allowing them to start their road to recovery on day one. Although we initially plan on working with above-knee amputees, we plan to expand to serve all types of amputations, eventually improving quality of life for amputees around the world.
What's next for us is converting our provisional patent to a utility patent, launching our pilot study with the Health System this summer, and achieving FDA clearance by the end of 2026.
As a high school intern, I felt frustrated by the lack of solutions and my own inability to do anything about it. Now, as a senior biomedical engineer, I have the skills, resources, and team to make a real difference. We are so grateful for our interdisciplinary team of advisors who have helped transform our passion into innovation. Join SimuStride as we take our first steps towards providing amputees the early intervention that they deserve.